Good morning, dear students. Welcome to Kala English School. I hope you all must be fine. You know that this is your class 4th NCERT EVS book looking around, and these are the content of the book. This is the chapter number 1, Going to School. So, dear students, in this chapter, we will read about the children of the different state, that how they go to school. But first of all, I want to ask you that how do you go to school? By bus, by rickshaw, by bicycle, by foot, or with your parents? And you know, dear students, that there are so many states in our country, and each state is different from another. In Rajasthan, you will see the desert everywhere, and it is too hot. In Jammu and Kashmir, it is too cold and there is so much snowfall. In Assam, there is so much rain. There are so many states are there that are near the sea. So in this way, I can say that the states are different from each other in according to atmosphere, according to the weather too, according to the ground too, such as somewhere it is mountain, somewhere it is plain, somewhere it is uneven place, somewhere it is river. So somewhere it is too much hot, somewhere it is too much cold. So the states are different from each other according to the weather, according to the ground, or according to the atmosphere. Here we will read about the children who live in Assam. It rains so much where we live. Sometimes after the rain, there is knee-high water everywhere. But that does not stop us from getting to school. We hold our books in our hand and bamboo. With the other hand, we quickly cross the bamboo and rope bridge to reach school. This is the picture of Assam. There's too much rain in Assam. That is why there is so much pond in the way of the people. That is why the people make the bamboo bridge to cross the pond. And these are the students who are telling that the much rainfall cannot stop us from going to school. They hold their book in one hand, and from the next hand they hold the bamboo bridge or the rope, and they cross the bridge and they go to school. There is an activity: collect some bricks, lay them on the ground in a line as shown in the picture. Try walking on them. Was it easy? Do it during rainy season. This is an activity for you. Make a small bridge by tying 4 or 5 bamboo poles together. Ask your teacher to help you. Now walk on your bridge. How did you feel? Did you feel down? Did you fall down? If you walk like this a few times, you will start finding it easy. Everywhere when it start, it becomes hard, but when you practice, then it become easy. Do you so you can if you can also practice to walk on this type of bridge, on the bridge of bamboo, then you can also walk on it easily after some time. Do you think it would be easier to walk on this bridge barefoot or with the shoes or slipper? Why? If you are crossing the bridge, then what would be easy to you, with slipper or with shoes? How would you be able to walk on the bridge, with slipper or without slipper? This is a trolley. You know that there are so many hill stations are there, such as Nainital, Kullu Manali, Jammu and Kashmir. These are the hill station. That is why there are so many mountains are there. And how the students go to school. So let's read the trolley. Every day we have to cross the river to get to school. The river is wide and deep. There is a strong iron rope across the river. On both the side it is tied tightly with strong trees or rocks. There is a trolley, an open box made of wood. Attached with a rope, 4 or 5 of us sit in the trolley. A pulley helps the trolley to move across the rope. We reach the other side of the river in the short time. So the trolley is used in the to cross the mountain or valley or river. There is an activity for you. Observe picture 1 and 2. In the picture, children are pulling the bucket from the well. Can you tell the difference in the both picture? Which would be easier, using the pulley or not using it? Lifting. So listen. You are watching. This boy is pulling the bucket without pulley, and this boy is pulling the bucket with the help of pulley. So this way would be easier to pull the bucket out. Look around you. Where all do you see the use of pulleys? List them. With the help of a pulley, try and lift various things as shown in the picture. This is an activity for you. This is the next bridge. This is a cement bridge. We often need to go across some water bodies, so we use bridge. These are made of cement, brick and iron rod. The bridge may also have steps. This is the bridge that is made up of cement, bricks and iron rod, and this is so much strong bridge that so many people, or you can say the 20-50 people can cross the bridge, can cross the river at a time.